losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack.
Welcome back, tech fans. Today, we have something truly special to talk about. It's not just another smartphone. It's a perfect blend of luxury, speed, and technology. Meet the Redmi K80 Pro Lamborghini Champion Edition, a device inspired by Lamborghini's thrilling racing heritage. This isn't just a gadget. It's a statement piece designed for those who appreciate power, performance, and elegance. Let's take a detailed look at what makes this phone stand out. From the very start, the experience feels premium. The box itself is a work of art, sleek black and gold with Lamborghini's iconic logo prominently displayed. For this special edition, the logo has been redesigned with bold uppercase lettering to make it even more striking. As you open the box, you're greeted with a luxurious, race-inspired smartphone that instantly grabs your attention. Every detail reflects Lamborghini's DNA, from the carbon fiber textures to the matte green accents on the buttons. It's clear this phone is designed to turn heads. Even the protective case included in the box is a masterpiece. It combines real leather and carbon fiber textures, giving it a rich and high-end feel. The back of the phone features Lamborghini's signature 63 totem, a tribute to the year the brand was founded. Everything from the stepped camera module to the etched Lamborghini logo screams luxury and attention to detail. The design of the Champion Edition is unlike any other smartphone. Inspired by Lamborghini's GT3 racing car, it incorporates unique elements like the carbon fiber back panel and custom finishes. Carbon fiber shell offers a premium look and a durable build. Matte green button accents, a nod to Lamborghini's racing colors. 63 logo represents Lamborghini's founding year and its iconic 6.5L V12 engine. In comparison, the regular version of the Redmi K80 Pro looks polished but doesn't come close to the Champion Edition's level of sophistication. The Champion Edition is truly a luxury piece for tech enthusiasts and Lamborghini fans alike. Under the hood, this smartphone is as powerful as it looks. The Redmi K80 Pro Lamborghini Champion Edition is equipped with cutting-edge hardware to deliver top-tier performance. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 800 Extreme processor, which handles everything from intense gaming to multitasking with ease. Independent display chip optimizes graphics for smoother visuals, perfect for gamers and movie lovers. The phone also features a 2K AMOLED display, offering stunning visuals with rich colors and sharp details. It supports full brightness DC dimming, which reduces eye strain, a great feature for those who use their phones for long hours. Ultrasonic fingerprint module. Unlock your phone quickly and securely with this advanced feature. High performance requires effective cooling, and the Redmi K80 Pro Lamborghini Champion Edition doesn't disappoint. Its 3D cooling technology ensures that the phone stays cool even during demanding tasks like gaming. Say goodbye to overheating problems, which are common in high-performance devices. Charging this phone is an experience in itself. The Champion Edition supports 120-watt fast charging, allowing you to fully charge the device in no time. But it's not just about speed. The design of the charging accessories makes them stand out. Custom charger features Lamborghini's iconic design, making it a collector's item. 63-inspired cable adds a touch of luxury to a functional accessory. Plugging in this phone is anything but boring. Exclusive charging animations and themes inspired by Lamborghini's racing heritage make every charge feel special. The Lamborghini experience doesn't end with the hardware. The software has been tailored to match the phone's luxurious feel. Icons and wallpapers, custom designed to reflect Lamborghini's racing spirit. The camera system on the Redmi K80 Pro Lamborghini Champion Edition is just as impressive as the rest of the phone. It's not just about aesthetics. The step design of the camera module enhances functionality as well. Advanced AI algorithms deliver stunning photos in all lighting conditions. Specialized modes, perfect for capturing fast-moving objects, making it ideal for motorsport enthusiasts. Whether you're shooting stills or videos, this camera ensures professional-grade results every time. Why choose the Champion Edition? This phone isn't just for tech enthusiasts. It's for anyone who loves luxury and performance. Exclusivity. Owning this phone is like owning a piece of Lamborghini's legacy. Craftsmanship. From the materials to the design, everything about this phone feels premium. Cutting-edge tech combines the best of mobile technology with Lamborghini's racing heritage. Yes, It comes with a higher price tag, but the experience it offers is worth every penny. If you value power, elegance, and exclusivity, this phone is the ultimate choice. Conclusion: a masterpiece of speed and style. The Redmi K80 Pro Lamborghini Champion Edition is more than just a smartphone. It's a celebration of Lamborghini's rich history and a testament to how far technology has come. From its stunning design to its powerful performance and unique customizations, this phone is a game changer. It's perfect for anyone who wants to stand out and own a device that's as much a collector's item as it is a tech gadget. So, what do you think of the Redmi K80 Pro Lamborghini Champion Edition? Would you consider buying it? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting unboxings, reviews, and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, enjoy the perfect blend of speed, style, and technology. Let me know if you'd like to add anything or make further adjustments.